As I am talking to you right now, the Senate of the Federal Republic of Nigeria is in a big trouble. I want to talk in the language and in the voice that you will understand me very well. I want everyone to understand me. The Senate of the Republic of Nigeria is in a big trouble because of keeping quiet about the release of Nnamdi Kanu. Let me come. Nnamdi Kanu have become a public figure that even everyone would like to listen and obey his commandments, whether he is a Biafran or he is not a Biafran. Everyone would like to listen to him instead of listening to the president that is in charge of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Ahmed Tinubu. That is the truth. If you allow Nnamdi Kanu to come out of the DSS or from the detention, let me tell you, Nnamdi Kanu will command and will say what everybody will hear. If that can happen in the southeast, it can also happen in Nigeria. And remember, why I said the Senate is in a big trouble is that the Arewa youth have supported the release of Nnamdi Kanu. The men, people that are saying, some are saying that they are not Biafrans, they don't follow the agitation, have started giving order to release Nnamdi Kanu. People from Lagos, South, have started giving their own contribution to releasing Nnamdi Kanu as soon as possible. And the youth of Biafrans are clamoring long ago to leave Nnamdi Kanu. The insecurity in the southeast is not because the southeast are bad people. It is because the Senate have undermined them to make a law, to organize the place, to give them what they are looking for. Instead of that, they set police against them, set army against them, and army have decimated a lot of innocent Biafrans. And this now resorted to some dangerous arms that can eliminate a society. You see how sophisticated they are today. The Senate. I want the Senate to hear this. The Biafran people, you can hear Biafran Liberation Army. I am not the only one seeing it because I'm not in the Biafra land. You can hear it. You can see the type of arms they are carrying. That they have gone nuclear. Now, let me come back. The Nigerian Senate should have in mind that they are the target. They are a very big target of the things going on in Nigeria, the target of the young people, the youth. You people are the target, but you people fail to understand. Rain is coming. The day of destruction. But I want now the cloud have not changed to start making amends in the Senate House, the House of Assembly. If you watch what happened in Kenya some weeks ago, you will understand that if this will happen in Nigeria, many things will go wrong. Senators will run away. Many of their things will be destroyed, the way you saw Kenyans destroying the houses and the business. Let me come. Lawmakers, they are hoping to see the daylight from their corner. They are also maltreating them by not enacting the laws of amendments. They find it as maltreatment. Instead, they stand on the side of making laws that are far more than endangering their well-being. All of them has a gross, what do I call it? Anger in their heart. Gross anger in their heart. They are waiting to vomit venom. But the time is just coming. If you people did not amend something now, I'm just talking to you as a brother. I'm not here to insult you. But if the Senate, the House of Assembly, did not act now and make things right now, speak out, rain will fall. And this rain will not only fall on you, you people are very many in the house, except those who have stood out. People like 𝐬𝐢𝐥𝐿 and so many of them who are speaking on behalf of the youth and the torment on the body of the youth of Nigeria will be safe. Their businesses will be safe. I'm just telling you this so that you will understand what will happen. The anger of the youth keep boiling the more when they hear the type of money, the type of salary, the type of allowances you people collect in a month. It ignites anger in their heart when these youth are even suffering, even to get money to drink garri. The garri they used to know poor people before is a problem. It's a tug of war. They hear the millions and millions that you are being paid for a minor job just because you answered a senator. Hey, I am telling you people as a prophet of God, I will not lie to you. The anger of the youth will ravage. It will ravage. Listen, these youths, they know where you live. They know your house. These youth are your brothers and the sisters, even the ones you sleep in the same compound with. They are angry with you. Again, they know your children. Anywhere your children is, whether they are in Oxford, they are in London, they are this, they are that. They can reach to them anywhere they are. That is why you must act fast. Let me come again. They know how much you have in your account in Nigeria, even outside. There is nowhere you cannot see Nigeria. Let me tell you. If you think that your bank account is hidden, nobody knows it. It is being controlled by the youth of Nigeria. If it is not First Bank, it is Union Bank. If it's not Union Bank, it is Spring Bank, Sterling Bank, Zenith Bank, Eco Bank, Access Bank, Unity Bank, or any other bank, maybe any other bank you know, even your OPay, your PalmPay, your Parallax Bank. They know it is the youth of Nigeria that is controlling your account. They know how many accounts you have in different banks because your bank is having a BVN number. Even your children, they know their accounts. They know how much they have so that you will not say anything is hidden. I am just deliberating with you so that the Senate must start acting now. As fast as I'm just whispering to your ears before the rain will start. The climate is changing. If the rain drops, you are the one that will suffer. It's just few number of you that their things will not be destabilized. To the truth. The motorcade you are using will not leave. It will not leave. The army you are using will abandon you. The police that always stand by your side will abandon you. Because, let me tell you, these youths will be going after even your security men. Any man that shot, wow, he is living in Nigeria. Everybody knew him. Can you remember Kenya? The policeman that shot somebody, no matter he was protecting the affairs of the government, now he is in trouble if he is still alive by now. He is the one that camera captured how he shot somebody. Oh, what happened now? If he is still alive by now, because the press have shown his face, if he is still alive by now, where is it happening? It is happening in Kenya, where the policeman, every Kenyan who is living around him knows him. That is why I'm telling you that your police would not like to endanger their lives. The army would not like to endanger their lives. The security guard, the tourist guys that follow you will protect themselves. They will not, they will leave you so that they will be safe. You know why they will leave you? The money you are eating in government house, they are not seeing even a pinch of it. Why won't they leave you? Do you think they are happy? The police that is following you all around, doing driving cars, they are not happy with you. A poor man is happy with a rich man who is eating the food of the poor man. You people are like rich people that are eating the food of the poor people. When the anger will come, they will remove themselves and they will use you as they want it. That is why I'm telling you, carefulness. It is not weakling. Carefulness. Remember, this is wonderful love. Try to show love by subscribing to this channel. Share it across to people. If you like what I am doing, you are welcome. Hit on the bell icon so that you will continue getting the first class information. Be the first to see our videos whenever we post to here. Because this is wonderful love where we share love and proclaim liberty to the oppressed. God bless all of you. I have talked in a lower voice today. I believe you will understand. If this is your first time of coming across here, yeah, share it to any senator you know, any House of Assembly member you know, because it will be Okribo and Behuge. God bless you.